taking responsibility and being accountable for your trading. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Pouring rain in Perth, kind of a stormy weekend. Saturday, lots of trades this week in the markets, and today talking about being accountable and taking responsibility for your trading. I think, again, we talk about this in the 7-step daily routine, doing the little things every single day, and I can't emphasize the importance of doing those little things. Screenshotting, building your playbook, taking notes, strategizing. Every single day, if you take that 10-15 minutes a day even to review the previous day's trades, whether it's on trades that you've taken or markets that you're following, studying and learning one new thing every single day, and then forward testing that, testing it in the live markets, whether it's on a demo account, whether it's on micro pips, micro lots. I talked about one of the most powerful things that I've done and that I will do even if I hit a patch where maybe I feel like I'm going into tilt or I've just lost my rhythm with the markets, is I will go back and take a trade with a micro lot and just focus purely on the process of flawlessly executing my trading system. Because at the end of the day, there's nothing new in the markets, and there's not going to be anything new next week. There's not going to be anything new the week after that. But what's going to happen is that the market's going to keep giving you next week. We talked about this, 30 weeks ago. We said there's going to be big trades next week, and every single week, I in my hourly system, on a poor week, I think there's a minimum of 125 pips. On a good week, if I'm able to handle multiple trades, sometimes I get into a trade and I can only focus on one trade at a time. But if I'm able to juggle a couple of trades, if I'm able to hit the London and the US sessions, I think there's 500 pips in a week. So an average week, I think for me, a good week, a good consistent target for me every single week is at least 200 pips. And that's including losing trades. So the other side of that, in terms of being accountable and responsible, not only in terms of your record keeping, your journaling, your goal setting, it's Saturday. So I've gone back and I've caught my notes up. I've updated my handwritten log of my trades, and then I'll enter that into the Edgewonk. If you haven't got the Edgewonk software, download the free trial, the link on my homepage. I'm still learning to use that, but I think it's critical that you keep stats, even if it's just a few stats, and the better you get, maybe the better your stats will become in terms of keeping your records better. But it's, you're running a trading business. Your playbook is your trading business. And if you're serious about making money from trading consistently and over the long term, it's you. You're responsible for managing the capital. You're responsible for taking profits out of the market. You're responsible for your record keeping, your journaling, your goal setting. And only you are going to be the one who's going to be able to do that. Even if you have an accountability partner, that's fine. But ultimately, at the end of the day, you still need to uphold yourself to those standards. So if you haven't done so, it's the weekend. Go back, catch up, screenshot your trades, even ones that you haven't taken. Go screenshot some best trade setups that occurred in the market. Study those. Look at what was there a particular time of day? Like all my trades are based around the Asia closed London Open, US market open. Why? Because that's duplicatable for me. I know that those times the markets, the banks open up, they go to business, the volume comes into the market, the markets move. And I know there's going to be either a continuation of a breakout, a pullback into a range, or a false break reversal. There's three things that the markets do. There's nothing new under the sun. It's going to continue to happen over and over again. Every week I just try to get better at getting more out of my winning trades, losing less at my losing trades, and scaling my size up. I take some knocks, I get back up, make sure that my losses are 1R, and I go back at it again the next day. The more and more you regiment yourself into that mindset and condition yourself to just executing over and over and over again and getting better at it and getting bigger at it, the better you're going to become. If you're haphazardly going into the markets each and every day with no real set structured plan, no fallback, no accountability, blaming the markets or the brokers or stop runs, whatever you want to call it, you're not going to get any better. So the market is what it is. There's no tricks there. The market is made up of participants that are going to move it from one side to the other. There's lots of moves. Don't worry about calling the high and the low. Worry about getting a piece, protect your downside, and get better at that and get bigger at it. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Be accountable, take responsibility. Go back, screenshot your trades for the week, build your playbook, take your notes, journal those trades. What could you have done better? If you didn't get any of those trades, where is it in your preparation, your analysis, your approach, your daily routine? Where can you get better? If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Put the building blocks in place for you to get better and become an elite trader. Stay disciplined, traders. This is a winnable game, but only you can make it happen. Have a great weekend. Get ready for Monday. There's going to be lots of great trades next week, so be ready, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.